My name's Michael Heenan from Allen Jack+Cottier Architects, and this is a naturally ventilated mixed-mode primary school building for the International Grammar School on this site in Ultimo. The inspiration was the formidable collection of large brick warehouse buildings in Ultimo in Sydney. This was my first sketch on the project, which was an abstract of one of those powerful brick buildings. And you can see the influence on the resultant building. I imagined a powerful building that would reinforce the essential 1940s character of Ultimo. The city controls on the site allowed only 2 stories and 1.5 to 1. We had to convince the city that the corner should be much stronger and more powerful than that. And we were successful, doubling the value of the site. We reused bricks and timber trusses from the small warehouse building that existed on the site. We were trying to create a memory of the site's history. The bricks were integrated into the entry and the pavements, and the trusses turned upside down on the roof to hold the power array and cut up and remade into all the benches throughout the project. You can see here a clear distinction in the architectural form, the stair, the lobby and the functional rooms. We designed a double helix arrangement to contain the required 2 stairs, freeing up the resultant parts of the site. The slight bend in the stair achieved a requirement of the building code to have a 9-metre separation between the doors. The skylight in this stair and the electronic hold opens of the doors makes this a permeable and very bright space for the children to use day to day. The ground floor has a Tom Sitter design garden. The building grows its own food, collects its own water and activates the street. This is the library on the first floor, the staff offices and a link back to the rest of the school on this floor. There's an indoor sports hall on the next level and a future playground on the roof. The thermodynamic analysis led to a cruciform system of natural ventilation, which can be altered to react to the prevailing winds. All these techniques were designed to stretch the comfort levels longer in the year without the need for air conditioning. The building acts like a very efficient esky, reflecting almost perfect reverse veneer qualities. When you heat or cool this building, either by AC or by night purge, it remains heated or cooled. The windows, using the latest e-glass technology, maintain the high level of insulation. But to achieve this level of clarity and this level of simplicity took an enormous amount of drawing, analysis, testing and prototyping, resulting in these half-ton prototypes. As usual, we spent many hours out at the concrete yard discussing and trying ideas and understanding deeply their process. We involved the whole office in this and the school hierarchy. We used set designers to create the moulds for the openings. These were rubber moulds, perfectly formed and removable in pieces to allow the mould to be peeled out and reused. I wanted the glass to look as if it was simply stuck to the surface, with the powerful, almost arrogant concrete not acknowledging its presence with any rebates. We worked closely with 3M in Sydney and in the end in St Paul, Minnesota, to agree on a series of tests which would prove that this could work and allow us to use it. Contrasting concrete with glass and its absolute precision, beautiful reflective qualities, and the ability to change its energy ratings and U values is the thing I'm most interested in. The building was to be made up of only 4 panel types after the stair and lift had been formed. The structural elemental analysis was run and rerun to achieve the efficiency and lightness of the wall's panels. We maintained the use of normal mesh. We told the school halfway through the project that the building was finished, but just happened to be stored in a precast yard in the west of Sydney. We checked every panel in the yard and in fact found one missing and one with wrong cutouts and had them corrected before delivery to the site, saving a lot of time. This is a forward-looking, innovative school for primary school children, and there should be a joy and excitement and discovery about learning at that age. This is a remarkable building that has excited the whole school community. The children love it and are proud of it. It kindles a childlike response in all, and yet is deeply embedded in its place. Thank you.